Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the latest items on Dress to Impress. So there are a few, but some of them they have expired for the Valentine's Day update. So the first one we had was the Cupid's Clouds, and we get this cloud that you can sit on. So the code would be Cupid's Cloud, but you cannot redeem that one anymore. And then there will be this skirt here. I think the code was Ella. It's just Ella, and it has two toggles. It has one long and short, and with or without ribbons. Here, I'll show you without me holding that. I think it's quite cute, but I really, not gonna lie, use these items sometimes because I just forget we have them because we have that much, we have a lot. But I don't really mind it. I'm still grateful for it, don't get me wrong. The rest is just here, all the items are still out here. There's also these items which you got from the Valentine's Day quest. Let me just favorite that real quick. Go down, and then you got this top and this bottom as well with many toggles. Super cute and fab. You get that from the quest. And then you can also get these, which are a prize from winning the Style Showdown 3 times. So yeah, that's how you can get all of the items from the latest update. Again, the new working code would only be Ella, ELLA. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.